Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe. Before I start this video, let me take a moment to wish you all a very happy September. To be honest, I don't know about you people, but मेरे को तो personally लास्ट के 3-4 महीने बहुत पसंद है because I feel ये पूरी winter vibe बहुत अच्छी लगती है and the whole vibe changes actually. So do let me know in the comments below आपको कौन से months पसंद हैं and which month do you enjoy better. So keeping that all aside, if you're new to my channel, then I am Satyam and I do videos around art, craft, DIY and design. So if you look forward into the same direction, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. And if your interest aligns with the kind of content I create, then please definitely subscribe. So if you're short on your time, although I would appreciate अगर आप ये intro पूरा देखें, but मैंने इस वीडियो में chapters डाले हैं तो आप स्किप कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्टली प्रोसेस देख सकते हैं. बट आई हैव अ फ्यू अनाउंसमेंट्स टू मेक टुडे, सो आई वोंट टेक मच ऑफ अ टाइम एंड जस्ट डाइव इनटू इट. So firstly, I was already coming out with content that you already see on my channel, which is like DIY and artsy stuff. But now on, I will be recreating big popular brands and their small categories. So basically these brands come out with different products and ये products बहुत expensive होते हैं generally. So I would tell you how you can make the same products at your home at a very affordable rate. So अगर आपको जानना है कैसे तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लेना एंड बेल बटन जरूर दबा देना because you will know every time I upload a new video. Apart from that, if you're not following me on Instagram already तो प्लीज़ फॉलो कर लेना because I have an Insta exclusive reel जो सिर्फ मंडे को आती है, सिर्फ Instagram पे आती है. So अगर आपको वो देखना है तो प्लीज़ इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लेना. एंड इफ़ यू आर शॉर्ट इन टाइम तो ये सेम ट्यूटोरियल इंस्टाग्राम पे होगा अंडर अ मिनट, तो आप वहाँ पे जाके भी देख सकते हैं. सो दैट इज़ ऑल आई वांटेड टू लेट यू ऑल नो. Coming to today's video, I have a tutorial for you all which is like an evil eye wall hanging decor and it is pretty simple to make and believe me आपको ये try करना चाहिए because एक तो ये बहुत simple है and at the same time this sort of brings a lot of positive feels into your room. So believe me, ये try ज़रूर करना. And if you do try it, then please do share it with me on my social media handles which are provided in the description box below. That is all. I won't take much of your time, so let's just get started.
To start off, I'm using a circular MDF base, but if you don't have one, then go with a cardboard cut in a circular shape. I have these macrame threads in 3 different shades which we will be using to make the main part of the wall hanging. First off, I am using this light blue thread and placing it on the arc of the circle and then slowly sticking it with glue. Do a few rotations until it covers a decent area. Next up, using the white thread, I'm going to repeat the same process and cover a certain area with white. Lastly, I'm using a sea green shade for the innermost part and will cover a certain area again. to make the black dot in the center, I'm using an acrylic paint in black shade. You can go with black thread if you have one. Keep the base aside to let it dry for a while, and in meanwhile, make the bottom portion of the wall hanging, for which I have used a thermocol ball which I'll cover with a braided brown macrame. The subtle brown shade gives it a very raw look. Divide the ball into 4 halves using different strands of macrame thread and cover the whole ball nicely. I'm using a glue gun to stick these threads in place. The upper hole in the thermocol ball will now be inserted with a bamboo stick. Make sure you put some glue gun on the end so that it sticks nicely. Now, using a jute rope, tie all the threads in one place and make a tight knot. Now I'm twisting the braided jute on the bamboo stick to give it a curled effect, and lastly securing all the threads with this. Now turn the upper portion upside down and paste the bamboo stick on the back side of the base and use a glue gun to do so. I've also put some scotch tape to make sure it doesn't budge from its place. You can make a small hanger from this braided jute itself and place it on the topmost part. Ta-da! Here's a very chic, boho and काफी cool evil eye wall hanging for your room. I hope you like it.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो please like कर देना and comment your views in the comment section below. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends, peers, everybody who you know, क्योंकि that will help me reach out to more people. That's all. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.